Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today what we're going to do is a very simple URL checker in Python. So first of all, what we do is we create a function called URL checker, and then we create a while true loop here. And now here I've created a variable called URL and assigned it to input. And I've told the user to enter a URL starting with HTTPS. So first of all, we use the conditional if, right? So we say if the URL is equal to exit. So if the user types in exit, we print a message to the user telling the user bye, and then we break from the program, and that's the end of it. It won't execute anymore. Or else, if the URL starts with HTTPS and the URL ends with .com, so we print and we use the F string here to format the string and interpolate the URL into the string. So we print off the URL is genuine if it starts with that and ends with that. Or else, if that's not the case, this is the catch-all, we print the URL is not genuine. So let's give this a spin and let's check it out. Okay, so I'm going to run the program, make it full screen, make it a little bit bigger there. So enter URL, so https google.com. Okay, let's hit enter. Okay, so that URL is genuine. Okay, let's type another one, https, like that, google.com. Let's hit enter. URL is not genuine. Let's do another one, https google.co. Okay, and let's hit enter. Not genuine, and we just want to exit the program now, so we type in exit, and there we go. So Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. I hope you enjoyed that very simple program there, and remember, if you're not already subscribed to the channel, please consider subscribing by hitting the button below. Give it a big thumbs up like that and drop me a comment, and I'll see you in another video. Bye bye.